The P0301 code signals a misfire in cylinder 1 of your engine. A misfire means the air-fuel mixture in that cylinder isn't igniting correctly. This leads to reduced engine power, rough idling, and potential catalytic converter damage. The engine control unit detects this by monitoring crankshaft speed. Irregularities trigger the code. Several factors can cause a P0301 misfire in cylinder 1. The most frequent culprits include faulty or worn spark plugs, defective ignition coils, clogged fuel injectors, vacuum leaks, and low cylinder compression. Faulty or worn spark plugs are the most common cause, accounting for about 60% of P0301 cases, according to mechanic Scotty Kilmer. These components wear out over time and fail to ignite the fuel mixture properly. Defective ignition coils can also cause misfires by failing to deliver sufficient voltage to the spark plugs. Clogged or malfunctioning fuel injectors prevent proper fuel delivery, leading to incomplete combustion. Vacuum leaks create an improper air-fuel mixture by allowing extra air into the engine, disrupting combustion. Low cylinder compression, often due to worn piston rings or valves, prevents the air-fuel mixture from being compressed enough for proper ignition. These causes can be diagnosed and repaired systematically to resolve the P0301 code. Begin the repair by visually inspecting the spark plug in cylinder 1. Check the spark plug in cylinder 1 for wear, fouling, or damage. If it's worn, fouled, or damaged, replace it. Next, examine the ignition coil for cracks or signs of damage. If it's cracked or shows damage, replace it. Consider swapping the coil with another cylinder to confirm. If the misfire moves with the coil, it confirms a faulty coil. When spark plugs and ignition coils check out fine, fuel injector issues may be causing the P0301 misfire in cylinder 1. Clogged injectors from carbon deposits prevent proper fuel delivery, leading to incomplete combustion. First, try a fuel injector cleaner additive like STP Super Concentrated Fuel Injector Cleaner. These additives remove deposits and restore performance, potentially saving gas and reviving lost power. If the cleaner doesn't resolve the issue, seek professional fuel injector cleaning using ultrasonic methods or replace the faulty injector. This addresses severe clogs or failures. A clogged injector shows poor spray patterns on diagnostic tests, categorized as fair, bad, or good, based on strength and distribution. The fuel injector assembly includes components like the solenoid and spray tip. Worn or dirty injectors, as seen in used engine photos, fail to deliver fuel properly to cylinder 1. Vacuum leaks can cause misfires by disrupting the air-fuel mixture. Here's how to diagnose and repair them, step by step. First, inspect the intake manifold and vacuum hoses connected to cylinder 1 for any signs of damage or loose connections. To test for leaks, use a vacuum gauge to measure pressure, or spray carburetor cleaner around suspected areas. If the engine idle changes, you've found the leak. If you find damaged hoses, replace them with new ones to restore proper vacuum pressure. Remember, even a small vacuum leak can disrupt the precise air-fuel mixture needed for proper combustion, leading to cylinder misfires. If the misfire continues after addressing spark plugs, fuel injectors, and vacuum leaks, low compression in cylinder 1 may be the culprit. A compression test measures cylinder pressure during the engine's compression stroke, revealing if cylinder 1 has significantly lower pressure than the others. This points to worn piston rings or valves, requiring professional engine repair to restore proper compression and eliminate the misfire. Regular maintenance prevents Pu301 misfires. Replace spark plugs every 30,000 to 100,000 miles. And keep fuel injectors clean using additives like STP Fuel Injector Cleaner. Future trends include AI-enhanced diagnostics and predictive maintenance, where telematic systems use sensor data and algorithms to identify potential misfires early. Electric vehicles eliminate misfires entirely, but internal combustion engines will remain relevant for years due to their longevity.